Hello viewers, welcome to my class. In this session I am going to explain separation of mixtures by a process known as sublimation. The materials needed to do this activity: camphor. See this one, this is camphor. Next, common salt. Okay, now a china dish, spirit lamp, tripod and wire gauge and a funnel. Now I am preparing the mixture of camphor and common salt. See this? This is camphor. Now this is common salt. See this one. I am mixing these two. Now I got the mixture of common salt and camphor. Common salt and camphor. Now it is very difficult to separate the components. So what is salt and what is camphor? It is very difficult to separate. So now I follow a technique known as sublimation. See this, I have taken the mixture of camphor and common salt in a china dish. Now I am heating the mixture of common salt and camphor. Take a funnel, close one end of this funnel with the cotton. Now I am inverting this funnel in the china dish. Observe carefully what happens. Observe this. You will find the fumes of camphor. Observe this one. Here camphor is directly converted to vapor state from solid without undergoing the liquid state. So this process is known as what we call it sublimation. So sublimation is a process in which a substance undergoes into directly vapor state or gaseous state without undergoing to the liquid state on heating. Observe this. You observe the fumes of camphor carefully. So they are deposited on the walls of the funnel. Observe this. See this one. See this? These are all nothing but vapors of camphor. Now see this. See this. See this. All these vapors are condensed on the walls of the funnel. Observe this. Now I will show the camphor. See this. See this. Observe this carefully. Here the camphor vapors are directly condensed on the walls of the funnel. So this phenomena is known as what we call it sublimation. So by a process known as sublimation we can separate camphor and salt. Thank you children for watching this activity. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.